Hello students, hope you are doing good. Watch the class till end, do not skip even single second as you might miss the important information. Not only attend the class but also try to focus on each and every point which I am saying you and also do implement it. Due to the pandemic situation, the present pandemic situation, as per the government guidelines, any educational institution is not permitted to conduct the offline or physical classes. So we the management have decided to conduct the online classes for groups CEC and MEC. The subjects are civics, economics, commerce and accountancy. For MEC subjects, economics, commerce and accountancy, these classes will be taken on the college YouTube channel. And with respect to subjects, Math A and B for MEC students will be conducted on another platform. After a lot of research and testing on the technical aspects for the betterment of our students, we have decided to take the classes on the YouTube platform rather than any other platform to provide the best classes for their theory subjects. As it has a clear voice, good picture quality, it can be attended through any smartphone, TV, tab or desktop, as we are very familiar to this YouTube and it is user friendly. The classes for languages will be conducted later on. As of now, we are focusing on core subjects. So here are the steps how to attend the classes on YouTube. First, you need to click on the YouTube icon. Then you need to type Sri Medhavi Junior College Girls Campus on the search bar. Then you need to click on the college logo. Then as soon as you click on the college logo, you can see the college YouTube page and you find several tabs over there. So we need to click on the second tab, that is video. You need to click on the tab video where you will find the classes for both first years and as well as the classes for second years. You need to click on the respective classes, like first years need to click on first year classes and second years need to click on your second year classes. Whatever the classes will be uploaded on the college YouTube channel, it will be uploaded with particular date, subject as well as the topic name. It is mandatory for each and every student to use headphones while attending the class for clear and voice quality. Then the next thing is about the timetable for your online classes. The timetable will be very soon disclosed on your college WhatsApp group. It is mandatory for each and every student to maintain notes. Examinations shall be held and the checking of your notes will be done on a strict note. Then any doubts with respect to the subject topic, student need to write in their notebooks under the related topic. That will be clarified during the physical classes. Then the next thing is each and every student must and should attend all the online classes which you get on your YouTube channel. Do not miss any of the class as the classes are not going to repeat any time at any cost. The students if found not attending classes strictly at that moment itself, the student is going to be expelled from the institution by giving a TC. So these are the things with respect to our new online classes which are going to be run on our YouTube channel. Then there is a particular note to students, or you can say the general guidelines for students. The first thing is the student need to maintain a particular routine and attend the classes with active mind and concentration. Then you need to refresh yourself, have your breakfast, and before you start a class, before 5 to 10 minutes, you just sit and revise whatever the topics have been taught by your concerned faculty earlier. Then the second thing is original documents. You need to collect your original documents from your school authority and you need to submit in your college as early as possible. If there is some issue that you did not receive your memos and documents in your school yet, then you can wait until then. As soon as you receive, the very next day you can come and submit at your college with your BIE application form. You need to submit two things. The first is your original documents and the second thing is the BIE application form. The third thing is about scholarship. The scholarship of state, central or any other scholarship. Parents and students, please do understand that it is a very hectic task and you need to have patience until and unless the whole process of your scholarship is completed. So instead of making calls, because it leads to miscommunication between the parent as well as the management, so better you can message it on the helpline number and also if possible you can visit the campus. Then the fourth thing is, it is the duty of the students. It is the duty of the students to check each and every single information which is getting posted in your WhatsApp group, because many of you are unaware of the postings which we made in the group. So you need to check it daily. On daily basis, you need to read it carefully, understand it and do take care. You need to look after your own studies and make sure that you are added in the college WhatsApp group. If not, you can text your phone number in the WhatsApp group by mentioning your name, group and father's name. The next thing is regarding the connectivity, the speed. The internet connection which we are using is of a high speed and we recommend you to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, as if you use a mobile data you don't have much clarity as well as you might face some network issues. Then any queries with respect to anything, you can just message it on the helpline number during the official timings, that is from 9 AM to 5 PM by mentioning your name, daughter of and your group. For example, it's R. Rani, daughter of R. Raju from CEC first year and my query is, my doubt is. Alright, whatever the problem you have, you can message it in the helpline number by messaging it. Then the next thing is about the study materials. You can come and collect your study materials from your college in the month of July, by which we are going to inform you soon at what date you need to come and collect your study materials. The charges for CEC is rupees 1500 and the groups MEC, MPC and BIPC, the study materials cost is 2000 rupees. So whatever the information I have said, I hope you have understood it and I also hope that you are going to implement it instead of making calls or messaging it. If you attend this class carefully, all your questions you can be getting clarified. At the end, you just need to subscribe the college YouTube channel and ring a bell icon. The reason for this is you will get the notification whenever you get a new class. So thank you and have a nice day.